the Glowforge was hands down one of the best business purchases that I've made yet. So I always had the dream of organizing a trail race. And so with the help and encouragement of my friends and family, I hosted the first trail race event. We had over 100 people show up, and that was the start of Sassquad Trail Running. When I first started out, I was just ordering wood slices off of Amazon and Etsy, and then I was hand painting each and every one of them and doing wood burning on the back. And as you can imagine, that was extremely time consuming. So after the first couple events, I started thinking, man, there's got to be a better way of doing this. And so I went online and researched and found the Glowforge. So as the year went on, I started using the Glowforge to make the awards for the runners. And it started out pretty simple, just doing some simple engraves on the wood slices. But then as the year went on, it started getting a little bit more elaborate, doing some layering and some cool glitter stuff. And yes, that is Sasquatch riding a unicorn. I got a lot of positive feedback from runners who were coming to the events. They were seeing the awards, they were taking it home, and they were coming up to me saying, man, like, this is awesome, Kim. Hey, I've got this idea for a project. Do you think that you can make it for me? That was the start of the Squatch Shock. So now I primarily focus on doing all custom work, and it is absolutely so much fun and something I never would have dreamed would happen when I purchased the Glowforge. What I really love about it is that runners are asking me to make custom projects for them that are celebrating sometimes years of hard work that they put in to achieve a goal. And to be invited to be a part of their story is something that's really special. And I have the Glowforge to thank for that. But just like every other race director around the world, I'm adapting to the global pandemic that's happening right now. And so with our trail races getting postponed, Sassquad just launched the first ever virtual race. So you can go online and sign up for any distance between a 5K and a 50K, which is 31 miles. And we'll send you this handcrafted wood medal that was made in the Squatch Shock. So I'm really proud to be able to give back, and I'm super thankful for the Glowforge